Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Selling digital products on Etsy is one of the best ways to create passive income right now. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to get started and start making real money. Step 1. Set up your Etsy shop the right way. You'll want to create an account. Choose your shop name carefully because this becomes your brand, and fill out your shop policies. Make sure your shop name is memorable and relates to what you're selling. Step 2. Choose a digital product niche that actually sells. Look at what's trending on Etsy, check what people are searching for, and pick something you can create or source quickly. The best niches right now are templates, planners, and design bundles. Step 3. Create or source your digital products. You can make these yourself using Canva, design software, or download templates from creators. Make sure your products are high quality because competition is intense in 2026. Step 4. Optimize your product listings for Etsy search. Use the right keywords in your titles, write detailed descriptions that sell, and create eye-catching thumbnail images. This is crucial because most buyers find you through search. Step 5. Price competitively and market your products. Research what others are charging, consider using Etsy ads to boost visibility, and promote on social media. Once you nail these steps, you'll be generating consistent income from your digital store.